Hey guys, it's Raim from Killer Inc. And today I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Spektra Edge X. The Edge X is a sophisticated and versatile dedicated cartridge machine from the guys at FK Irons. So let's take a closer look. When it was released, the Edge X was the first completely versatile dedicated cartridge machine on the market. This was down to Spektra's MultiVise system, which allows artists to use both screw-on style cartridge grips and cartridge grips with a backstem, like these RPG Click Ergo grips from FK Irons. The Edge X utilises the Hex Drive motor system, which was engineered to protect your motor. This motor bolt features a high quality Swiss Maxim motor and is also compatible with the Spektra Direct 2. The Edge X offers a fully adjustable experience without the need for additional bars, stroke wheels or interchangeable parts. The stroke length can be easily adjusted from 2.8 to 4.2mm. While you just need to turn the dial to adjust the give. One full turn of the dial takes you from no give to full give. Within the Edge X is a self-lubricating slider, which reduces friction and noise while also prolonging the life of the part. There is also a pivoting drive bar which self-aligns with all cartridge tubes without the need for internal bushings. Just like the Direct 2, the body of the Edge X is CNC crafted from one solid rod of T6 aluminium, mirror polished and anodized for ultimate durability. Made in the USA, the Edge X is silent and steady with virtually no vibration. It's lightweight too, topping the scales at only 80 grams. Perfect for a range of styles, whether it be lining, shading or colour packing. The Edge X is available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Spektra Edge X? Have you had a chance to tattoo with it? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.